In this video, I'll show you how to create a username in WhatsApp. This new feature lets you connect with people without sharing your phone number, making your conversations more private and secure. Let's get started. First, go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp to latest update. After update, now open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Next, tap on Settings. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, tap your profile at the top of the screen. If the username feature is available for your account, you'll see a username option. Tap on it. Now tap Create Username, or if you already have Instagram username, you can use same. Enter the username you'd like to use. Your username must be unique, so if it's already taken, WhatsApp will ask you to choose a different one. Once you've found an available username, tap Save or Done to confirm. That's it. Your WhatsApp username is now set up. You can now share your username instead of your phone number when connecting with new people, helping you maintain more privacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.